Incremental greetings. Today I want to share a quick trick with you. Did it ever happen to you that you're done with reading something? Let's use this as an example. Masterly learning. You read this, there's more to go. Okay, I think it has math, it's quite hard to see now. I'll do it for later, but then for whatever reason, later on, you apply done. So it's, oh shoot, I applied done by accident, but I cannot undo this action, right? It's SuperMemo. No worries. In this case, I know that I only had one extract. So it's, hey, in SuperMemo 19, you have this feature. Download original of the page, usually because it's been updated as in a Wikipedia page. But if you click, nothing happens, right? Well, that's because now there is nothing. There's a component. So if I apply my article template, first I get the sources still. It's there. So what happens if I press now? Download the original of the page. It does nothing. Okay, let's quit. Let's go back. Let's press again. Oh, it's still not working. Oh, it's because perhaps it was dismissed, right? No worries. Control M to memorize the element. Do you see now here mastery learning? It's yellow, means it's dismissed. Now it's green again. So what's going to happen now? Hey, still not working. Well, perhaps because it's empty. So if I write something, I know exactly what's required in the source code of SuperMemo, but I realize that now it's non-empty, there's something, and what's going to happen if I click now? Bada-ba-boom! I get, once again, the document, and in this case, it was like this. I remove all of this, and if the student, Okay, let me search for this. Okay, here it is. So that's the highlight through the search. It's not an extract. So I know I did this. So for the sake of the highlight, in color, I do the extract just for the sake of having this color. And now it's a duplicate, so I will just delete it. And here you go, pretending that nothing has happened. And on top of that, if we go to the bottom, it still says the same date, just as if nothing happened. How cool is that? You could achieve more or less the same result in SuperMemo 18 or older, but you will require to use the clipboard instead, because you don't have this feature. Cool, it doesn't take that long. I actually have done this generally, I think 3 times in this month already. Yeah, it's not a feature that justifies updating to SuperMemo 19, but if you have it, it's good to take this into consideration. Nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.